Hey guys, how are my wonderful Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. I'm still sick with the cold, but hopefully it's going away too. I hope. Cross your fingers, who knows. Anyways, guys, I have got another Ipsy add-on spoiler, and this is for May. And you know, on the 2nd of every month, you can get add-ons. You could get up to 3 add-ons. The mini-sized ones for $3 a piece, and the full-sized items for $12 a piece. Now, you know, I put out a video the other day showing that the first spoiler was the Buxom Full-On Plumping Lip Polish, and these are mini-sized, so they will be $3. Those are going to be on your add-ons on the 2nd. This next thing they just announced today, of course, the Wander Beauty Wanderous Seascape eyeshadow palette. Why couldn't I think of the word eyeshadow palette? I don't know. This is going to be available for $12 on the 2nd. And of course, it's going to start at 6 a.m. That is Pacific time. So guys, make sure... Well, wait, before we go, Ipsy's going to be linked below if you want to go check them out. And before you leave, make sure you turn your bell on. That way you're notified of every time I upload a video. You do not want to miss any spoilers. Also, rate the video. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs down if you didn't like it. It doesn't matter, guys. Just as long as it shows YouTube that you guys are watching my videos, that's fine with me. And one more favor before you leave. Please, guys, please hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you, and I love you guys so, so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.